Okay, so yang which is the fourth day of Fresno Culture New Year, Hmong Culture New Year, and is Saturday, so really wanna trong cái cái của usually tua chỉ mua lú trong lên nè, so cú ya was so thì really sẽ được cú tua, really sẽ được cho nhau họ local thảo Fresno là tới rồi là cú chỉ mua họ lú là cú pa weekend, so cũng muốn hình tua trong cơ. Chắc cái Hamilton á, hiện tại nên là từ tua nên chỉ sa dễ hậu họ là họ parking lot á, nên dễ này nó là tao xem nó họ parking lot nên mù họ bây giờ nó mù họ là gì đoàn, họ nằm thì trong nhà chỉ đoàn, khi ở trong nhà chỉ đoàn, chỉ hiện tại nên từ chỉ sa muốn dễ hậu họ chờ parking hậu đó. Họ mà thầu weekend như nó mua chỉ là mua tất là khi nhé ya là swap meet thì họ nói là chỉ có để có tuổi có chỉ sản để họ chỉ cần đến được cái để cho cái lý nào là những một tờ giấy thế chỉ có chỉ tao thể cái để họ trong vàng cái một thể giấy luôn á, so you can park anywhere around here along the curve here, and it's free. Just don't park on the red spot. So right now, we are moving very slowly. Okay, yeah, no nói about south, so I guess a lot of people are going to be here. Tại sao nó có một bé cho nó cũng tua ly cơ thế, cũng sao để chỉ muốn được tua thế tua ly có một nó chỉ có tua cho là cũng nó chống cơ. Ok, thì ít bia một cho đàn gay là một ly trà cũng mà lấy thành gì, thì một cho họ sẽ năng họ chống một trà được họ nó sáng đầu nó sẽ lựa chống cơ là gì, thì dùng muốn chống tua chỉ chống họ nó. Okay, I'll see you guys inside. Okay, so wow, that's a long line. This is the line to get the ticket. Yep, Saturday. No, not yet Saturday. Everybody's here. Okay. Saturday, everybody's here. So everybody's trying to get tickets. So everybody's here, everybody going to go in, and Saturday, a lot of people here. They Nên nhớ khó tới tua. Nên lọc tới lọ. Đi Minnesota. Oh, Wisconsin. Nên nhớ không có chuyện. Không vào. By looking at you this day or for this day. Oh, okay, chủ hai nữa chút có. Nhiều trận đi họ lò để nó là cầu snow lò thôi. Sớm rồi. Muốn ra hả? Muốn ra thế à? Dạ. Chị này nhóc bé, chị có nhóc nó chị. Thế nào? Okay. Okay, that's good. Nếu muốn chơi chung, chị sao? Cho ta xin nó cổ chị trong cái xía ấy à, cho việc là xin nó là. That's my good. Well, I did it. You know, sana na ni what to ano le hot chung ano. Ai nhớ rồi. Có hụt à? Đó nè. Lord, wow. Start with the L.
Yeah.
That's new name. I haven't heard. Yeah. Nên nhớ hồn nó. Fresno sao? Okay. So, this is your sister. Có từ nhà hả? Chị tụi con đấy. Oh, sister nhà. So you're the older one? You're the youngest one? Oh, wow. So, this is your chị? Only, wow. This your little girl cute. Well, that little girl are pretty cute. Yeah. So are you in college?
Yeah.
Oh, what year? Wow, almost done. Có cậu quá chưa? Có cậu quá chưa?
Go to register nurse.
Oh, nurse? Wow, sugar mama here. So how many more years you got?
I should be done this spring.
Oh, this spring?
Happy New Year.
Wow, congratulations on that. So you got to interview here, huh? Then we interview, huh?
Yeah, they interviewed.
Oh, okay. Are you in there too?
Yeah, I was in there earlier.
Oh, you was in there? Oh, okay. So, các tuần học đi tour?
Hả?
Các tuần học đi tour?
Cũng tới Stockton to.
Oh, Stockton, huh? Oh, okay. So just today or more các tuần hả?
Tới nữa thì
Oh, really? Oh. So, tôi thấy có đặc một chế.
Hả?
Tôi thấy đặc một chế.
Từ chế biết cho sau dịch mà.
Oh, này tuần hả? Oh. Lúc đó có chỉ nhà cái nhập mong, right?
Yeah, nó là cũng chỉ nó cái nhập mong mà.
Yeah, you were before, right?
Yeah, nó cũng tới nó hoa thiên của.
Oh, okay. Có hồ lý cha?
Lúc đó khó đi nó.
Khó nhiều, right? Có sợ chị?
Cái gì mua nhà?
Mua nhà hả? Oh. So you in high school or you?
Yeah, cũng chỉ nhà high school.
Oh, okay. Senior?
Junior.
Oh, one more year.
Yeah.
Then you head out to the new world.
Yeah.
All right, have fun.
You too.
Hey, is she your sister now?
Huh?
Yesterday I met you and your younger sister, right?
Yes.
So she's. So you're the older one now?
No, I'm just a friend.
Oh, friends, huh? Oh, okay. Same age?
No, 20.
Younger?
No, older.
Older? Oh, 20?
Yeah.
So có những photo rất là big stop for con dog à? You just got here?
Yeah, I just got here today.
Oh, today? Yeah, because I saw them. I haven't seen you
Oh.
with them. Yeah. So có hụt à?
Nước kia. Nước kia.
Nước chi hả?
Nước kia.
Nước chi? Oh, okay. Nice to meet you. Có what's your last name?
Sạch bữa.
Vu hả? Oh, okay. So you enjoy the New Year so far?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's going great.
Yeah. So có nhau nói hết, right?
No, nhớ Sacramento.
Oh, that's why you just got here today.
Yeah.
What, school or work?
Yes, school.
Có xã cậu quá chưa?
Ở đây cha.
Có xã cậu đã chưa?
Psychology.
Really?
Yeah.
You be psychiatrist?
Yeah, that's where I'm kind of like debating on.
Wow. That's cool. Don't psychoanalyze me yet, okay?
Don't worry.
Really? Có tôi được potato hả? Oh, okay, okay.
Tiêm ạ.
Có hụt chán không? Đúng hả? Có gì sẵn hả chị? Không phải hả?
Cô nhớ đâu.
Ê, có tôi potato house dip. Cháu đi chả? Để cho nó hết tí. Có xin gió là để cho nó. Xin cái theo. Có tôi để đi chả nè. Chỉ có hai lùm cái phao, right? Phao mình chỉ, right? So you in school now or cần tao là quá chị? Oh, okay.
Most of them doesn't matter. Chia lòng rồi hả?
Hi guys.
Hi.
Enjoy the new year?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
我跳啦，你出名咩？
So, các hộ cha? Nú là? Các sở chị? Phật sống à? Các cháu học đó sao? Oh, so you in high school or you done with high school? I'm guessing junior. Oh, okay. So we get one more year to go, right? So what's your plan after that? I know. See, everybody's taking pictures, not just me, right? Okay, I see you later. I'll be walking around. Yeah. Nice to meet you. Các nhà sở chị? Lì á, ok. Ở nhà có chị sở nó, có những bé giờ nó chụp cái sở nó đó. Oh, okay, okay. So there's no restriction. Oh, okay. So có nhớ college là có nhớ high school sao? Wow, almost done.
Yeah.
Congratulations for making it so far. Yeah. Có nhớ sở chị? Lì á? I think you did too with that. Oh, okay. So có cậu quá chưa? Oh, okay. So you're thinking about college counseling or high school? Oh, tough job. I would think. So the next thằng bé này phải mua picture round. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so how's the difference between là sẵn họ nói thế này sẵn bé? Có找ở có bỏ找any different or is the same thing? Oh, okay. Sorry, I can't catch it. Oh, a little bikini too? Oh, like a swimsuit. Sorry, not bikini. We don't say that. Swimsuit, right? Kind of. Yeah. Để bé đi mua swimsuit thế là chỉ mua. Để mua evening gown mà. Evening gown thế là mua đó chị. Oh, just two round question. So what's your question? Các pick tao học question vậy? Wow. That's a tough question. Yeah. So how about the second question?
The second one,
Wow. That's a tough one. Well, at least you're in school, so you know what to say, right? Yeah. All right, have fun. Hey, that's a nice outfit. Yeah, chỉ có sau khi nóจะปั้นเต้ากันเราหลวมใช่ไหม?
We took it like from Taipei, so.
Oh, so all handmade.
Yeah, it's handmade.
Wow, looks good. So có hồi chưa? Cá liền đó. Oh, nice name too. So you in college?
No, I'm in high school.
Okay, senior?
No, I'm a sophomore.
It's not bad. Long way to go.
Huh?
Long way to go.
Yeah.
Sophomore, then senior, and then freshman again.
Freshman, sophomore, junior, senior.
Yeah. Oh, so you're going. Oh man, I have that effect on people.
It's okay.
Yeah, making them all nervous and. Có giờ sợ chưa?
Say Hmong Tao.
Oh, Hmong Tao lang, really? Oh, you know what? You're the first Tao I met.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, I met a lot of Vang and Lee. Yeah, more Vang though. First Tao. I also met it too, like the Hmong. I think like Chia, nah? That's new to me.
Yeah, same.
Is that right? Yeah. I think they'll interrupt lah. But no, I think nó còn là lúc boss á. Cái tụi sister đó là ở bao nhiêu sao? Niệm phong thôi vậy sao? Niệm phong chưa? Sợ chưa? Really?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So same. Oh, nên nhau hồn là Fresno, right?
No, we are Sacramento.
Oh, nhớ Sacramento đó. Oh, all you guys?
No, she's from Stockton.
Oh, okay. So how far from Stockton to Sacramento?
Probably about an hour.
Oh, they chở rồi à? I thought you got like 30 minutes away. Oh, okay. So how's the Stockton New Year?
Oh, I didn't go to Stockton New Year.
You didn't go?
No.
Oh man. Why? Chỉ muốn này trông hả?
Yeah, she went to
Oh, okay. So everybody looking forward to today.
Yeah.
I mean this year.
Yeah.
So nên tới tuần đây là phải tuần hôm đó hả?
In a photo, no Wednesday.
Oh, okay, not too bad. Gonna stay until the first?
Yes.
Next day, no family, là này.
Just family one.
Oh, okay. I guess you're too young to go to party then. Man, you missed out. Don't worry. What? Let's see. 3 more years? 4 years, I think. Yeah. So, what do you like most in your class? Art, music, whatever.
I like choir.
Oh,
Like
you in a
vocal?
choir?
Yeah.
Oh, you in a choir? I tried once.
Oh, really?
I'm out of tune.
Oh.
Yeah, you know, like every time we stand and she always say, "Hey, the one on the left, you're out of tune." I was like, "Oh, I'm thinking, must be me." I try. I like singing too, but I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
How about you? You enjoy singing?
Yeah, I enjoy singing.
Okay. Hmong song too, or just Mika only?
Song also.
Okay. Which one you like the most?
We'll usually have Hmong Chong Cao Song.
Okay, yeah, tôi giờ ra có nhạc Hmong chở go.
The Shino Kunya Igona.
Oh, wow. I think that's the norm now.
Yeah,
Everybody.
it's the new one, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. How about the old band like Sounders and those guys?
No, Bushimo Love. Yeah.
Too old school, huh?
Oh, no, it's just that Bushimo Yap là Chong Cao Song.
Oh, okay. All right. Have fun. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
Good type picture. How many color? Just one? Nice. How long does it take for you to do it?
Huh?
Daily cha. Good time daily cha.
Like 3 hours.
Wow. Đấy một個. Có ít lần thay cái số là ba cái. Oh, có. You just by yourself? Oh, lợi thay đó có. Oh, okay. I also see you have a tattoo, star too.
Did you have tattoo?
Both chỉ hả? Oh, chỉ có erase đâu đó. Very nice. Very cute, I should say. Có hôn đi cha. What's your name?
See.
C hả? Có gì sông hả? Sợ thọ hả? Oh, okay. Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Nice hair. I like it.
We're friends. No.
So, what's your name?
Yang.
Yeah.
Yang.
Young hả? Oh, young sợ chứ?
Oh, yeah.
Bông young là young yeah. Not too bad. It's nice. And your friends? No, cũng đâu có thả. It's okay. You can tell me. Nãy giờ mua da vậy?
No, 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 no.
Niêm mua hả? Oh, okay.
What?
You look pretty tall. You're like 5'11".
No, I'm actually only I'm 5'3", but with the heels, probably like 5.
I know, that's tall. That's pretty tall, yeah.
It makes me nervous.
So you guys are in Fresno, right?
Yeah, we're from here. Early done.
Okay. So you in high school?
No, I'm in college.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm in college.
Oh, you guys look young.
Yeah, tell me now.
Freshman?
No, I'm a senior.
Senior in college?
Senior in college, yes.
Wow, almost done then.
Yeah, pretty much.
Có cỡ chưa?
Business marketing.
Marketing hả?
Yeah, marketing.
So you guys friends or sisters?
We're kind of like sisters.
Ah, sister hả?
Kinda.
Kinda. Oh, cousin, live in Chong.
Yeah.
Oh, first cousin. Chị nên mong hơi à?
No, give him Leo.
Okay.
All the chocolate.
So, are you in college too, or are you done?
Oh yeah, I'm in college too.
Okay. All right. That's good. Yeah. So, how many years again left?
Just one day.
Just one day off? Because you're freshman, so long,
No, no, I'm going home with you. Yeah, I do junior.
Oh, what? One more year?
Yeah, but I still have a lot of courses to take.
Oh. So, what's your major?
Nursing.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
For nursing, you get a job for sure.
Yeah, but it's really competitive.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought it's less competitive.
No, it's still competitive.
Oh, okay.